Welcome to the forest. This is Craig Lane with Health Alchemy, and we're here launching a new part of our life. We're here because we've questioned those who have come before us, and we find it lacking. We're here because we sense there's something more than the limited story we've been told. And in that, the limited productivity, the limited consciousness, the limited value system. Did you know that the values of health, because of health capitalism and making money, the values of health are kept incredibly small by just a few people? And the true values of health, if what you're sold is this much, then imagine it being 5 times bigger or 10 times more. And that lowers the bar when we accept the story that's told to us versus going with what feels right for us. And how do we even know what feels right for us is the right thing? Well, one marker that I like to use is we're more productive. And if we're more productive, then we can make more money. We do have more spare time. Part of the markers of health, byproduct of health, as you will, is you're naturally more productive. So when we say, I want to be more productive, that's only the first step. True productivity comes out of a byproduct of alignment with the forces around us. This is Craig Lane with Health Alchemy, explaining some basic concepts about how productivity, some of the things we strive for in life, are just byproducts of something that's just aligning with something that's basically always and already here. That's the good news. And we just have to learn to align with it. And that's what Craig Lane with Health Alchemy, via Introduction to Health, Apprentice and Health Support Circle, via Mastermind Circle, via gardening, plant growing, cooking, all these things, if you invest in them and you invest in the true values of health, then you get those byproducts that they usually can't be faked.